Now we're gonna check the price. Oh, what? Last month, I decided to do this really stupid thing where I went shopping without looking at the prices. To my surprise, you guys really seem to like it, so today I decided to take it to a whole new level. We're in New York City with some of the best shopping in the country, also the most expensive. There's just something about this city that makes me want to throw all of my financial responsibilities out the window and spend all my money on clothes. Today I'm having my Carrie Bradshaw moment and having the ultimate shopping spree with, not looking at the prices. Okay, I am back in Seattle, Washington. I've got all of my shopping bags here from New York. Successfully got everything back here without looking at any of the prices, and you guys, my adrenaline is pumping. I'm scared of how much money that I spent on this. Now, before I get started with this haul, a couple housekeeping things. I did a video like this last month, and in it I had a giveaway, and today I am announcing the giveaway winner, and the winner is at Erica Grams. This was her comment. Originally, I was gonna pick someone at random, but this comment got like almost 4,000 thumbs up. People were saying this girl should win, and I agree. It was so selfless and sweet. I DM'd her today, and I'm sending out her gift card. Here's some screenshots of that. It's actually her birthday, so shout out to her. Thank you guys so much to anyone that entered. I got 16,000 comments. And just like last time, I want to do a giveaway again this time. I'm feeling, my heart just feels warm. But stay tuned till the end for details on that giveaway. And also, my Millennial Life Crisis merch that I'm wearing right here is back on sale. I've been getting a ton of requests for that, so I'll have a link below if you're interested. There's a bunch of different color options. Lately, I've been really loving the black, but a classic is also just the white tee. It's super, super soft. All right, let's get started. Oh, I'm getting nervous. Here we go. I went a little crazy. I think New York has the best shopping in all of America. I mean, it makes sense. That is where fashion is. That is where all the big designers are. It's where everything is happening, so it just makes sense. And there's all these really cool boutiques, and if you ever get the chance to go to New York, shopping's probably going to be a part of your trip. So I went to the Soho neighborhood of New York, which is filled with a bunch of beautiful boutiques. You have like luxury ones and then kind of more middle tier ones. And I decided to go shopping without checking the price tags there, which is terrifying because you could walk into one store and a white t-shirt could cost you like $1,000, and then the next store it's like $100. To give you guys an idea of what it is like here in New York, this is a vintage shop behind me. Inside there is a Louis Vuitton punching bag. It's $175,000. I tried to go to stores I hadn't really heard of very much, so we are gonna start with this one. This is a store called IRO or something like that, and this was definitely fancy. This was the kind of store that they had a lot of different selections of clothes, but each item they only had one size on the rack, and I'm telling you, the less items on the clothing rack, the more expensive it costs. So I thought it would be funny to start off with just buying a plain white t-shirt in New York and seeing how much that would cost you. So it comes wrapped all nicely. Here we have it, just a plain white t-shirt. It's kind of a bit see-through. It's got like that burnout look to it. It's honestly nothing special. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's a nice staple shirt to have, but you could get this literally anywhere. So I'm scared. So the thing with this store is everything is made in France. So that also gave me an indicator. Ding, ding, ding. Things are gonna be expensive. So this very plain white t-shirt, $110. That is just stupid. That is so dumb. This has gotta go down as the stupidest purchase I've ever made. $110 for a white t-shirt. Next, I went into this store called Naked Cashmere. So this store kind of reminded me of Everlane, like it just seemed like it catered to millennials, and I just have a feeling it's not too expensive. What's cool about it is everything is sustainable, but it is cashmere, and cashmere is like the truffle of sweaters. It is the most freaking expensive fabric. So I got this sweater, and the color of this is like Thanksgiving in a sweater. I was very attracted to it because I thought it was just perfect for the fall. It's just kind of like this tan color, and then like knit into it, you have little flecks of orange and cream and darker browns, and I was like, if that ain't a Thanksgiving dinner. I don't know, when you look at it like this, it doesn't look like anything special, but when I tried it on, because it's cashmere, it's really soft and it's incredibly warm. It's also really light. I just thought the fit of it was very flattering. It's not super thick or bulky or anything like that. And now we're gonna check the price. Oh, what? No way! I was not expecting that. I was $275. I'm kind of in shock right now. What? Oh my God, I was expecting it to be like 120 at the most. $275. I just literally can't believe this is $275 because honestly, it's cool. I like it. I'm sure I'm gonna love it and like keep it for literally ever because of that price. But like, you would never know. You would never know that this was $275. Like, you'd think I got it at American Eagle for like 40 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy. So if this video has a lot of ads, now you know why. I need to recoup my money. Next, I went to the store called Modern Citizen, and I've actually been here before. I know the prices are gonna be more reasonable. So if you're ever in New York, want to do a little shopping, but don't want to spend $300 million on a sweatshirt, check out Modern Citizen. So I got this sweater. I thought it was super, super cute, not cashmere at all. I'm gonna guess that this was like, I don't know, $70. So let's see. $75, wow, ding, ding, ding. Not too bad, Monica, not too bad. And then I also got this silk skirt. It's in this beautiful, like evergreen, like what a beautiful festive color for the holiday time coming up. Like, I love this. I think it's so pretty. It does wrinkle a little bit, so that's like, I feel like kind of a sign that like the quality isn't like fully there. I'm gonna guess this was, I don't know, $80. So let's see. $92. God. I'm going broke. I think even if I would have seen the price of this, I probably still would have gotten it just because I was so excited about like such a unique color. I'll have links below for everything that I bought too, in case you're crazy enough to want to spend as much money as me. Anxiety levels are spiking back up because I went to the store called Tomorrowland. I had never heard of this either, but I can just tell this one's gonna be expensive. This was the type of store where the workers were really snooty. There weren't a lot of people in there, you know. They had one of each item, like no sizes, just one of each item, you know, very few things on the rack. I knew this was gonna be an expensive one. How much? I don't know. I don't know. It comes in a dust bag. That is also a sign that it is expensive. You know what else comes in dust bags? Designer clothes that cost thousands of dollars. So that's scaring me a little bit. I definitely thought this was a really cool sweatshirt though. I mean, it's like in this kind of green, like chartreuse, kind of yellow, kind of green. I just thought it was really cool and really different. And yeah, it's just this kind of oversized sweatshirt. And I will tell you, the quality of this is really nice. This is like a really thick fabric. I just thought this was super different. I wanted something that would pop, and this will certainly do it for me. How much do I think this costs? I'm gonna go $190. Okay. I have like butterflies in my stomach. I'm so scared. What to say? What to say? What to say? I just don't even know how to feel right now. I can't even tell you guys. Oh my God. $440. This is a brand called Caben. Like I'm not even fancy enough to know how to pronounce any of these brands. I feel like the things I'm buying, the only people that can afford them are like celebrities and I guess millionaires. Like I went on a shopping trip that a millionaire would go on, and I am not a millionaire. So that's absurd. It is made out of 59% cotton, 31% polyester, and 10% cashmere. So where'd my money just go? I have no idea. Down the toilet, I guess. It is a really cool sweatshirt, and now I own a sweatshirt that costs like $500 plus tax. So holy there's gonna be like 4 ads in this video, by the way, just to, you know, pay for this shopping trip. But we're not done, folks. I saved the best for last because I went to Balenciaga. I was like, I'm in New York, I gotta go to a designer store as well. Little story time. I just want to say, going into designer stores is such an uncomfortable experience. People were just not really giving me the time of day, which I'm not surprised about, I guess, but like, it's just crazy for humans to treat other humans like they don't exist. It's weird. But here's what I want to say. I went into several different like designer stores. The ones like Prada, oh my God. The most awkward experience of my life. It was so awkward. I walked in, I was the only one there. So Prada, whatever you're doing is not working because no one is even in your store, okay? And I like you, Prada. I have shoes from Prada and I love them. So I go into Prada, they don't even say hi, but I'm the only one there. But they know I exist. They know I'm there. They look over, they see someone came in, they know I'm there. So I walk over to one section and the woman working also walks over. She saunters over to the section and just kind of is around, but still just doesn't say anything. And I'm just kind of looking a little bit and I feel uncomfortable. Like I don't want her eyes on me while I'm trying to shop. So I walk over to another section and she saunters over as well. Once again, just doesn't say anything, but just is kind of up and down looking at the shoes as well. And it's just so awkward. And so I go to like the fucking back of the store and I'm like, can I get some peace and quiet? Damn. And she comes over there as well. And like, it was so weird. So I left. But what I will say, something that I noticed. So I saw an article that rated the hottest brands like that consumers are buying the most of. And it's Off-White, it's Gucci, and it's Balenciaga. There wasn't an Off-White store that I saw, so I didn't go there, but I went into Gucci and I went into Balenciaga, and the people there were both so nice, so friendly, just really cool people. Like, they just weren't assholes. I'm just saying, I think there's a correlation between like treating your customer like they aren't total dirt and just being friendly to like every human that you see and being the hottest brand. I don't know, Prada, is it a coincidence no one was in your store? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Okay, anyways, so I went to Prada, yeah, I fucking went to Prada. So I went to Balenciaga. I'm so excited for this. I feel like people aren't gonna like this, but I love it. I saw it and was like, I feel like that needs to be mine. So I got, this is called the camera bag. Yeah. It has kittens on it. This nice, beautiful little leather bag, really good quality, you know, Balenciaga, very modern and pretty looking, and then kittens. I just think this is so funny and so cute and just, I don't know. I just thought it matched my personality quite well. Like, I am a cat person and I like popular things. Like Balenciaga is very popular and, you know, I like all that kind of stuff, but I always like to stray a little bit away from like the most popular thing. Like, I would never buy a Gucci belt because they're just too popular. I'm gonna keep this forever. It's really simple. Just the inside has like one little flap, and then this back has a little flap. The strap is long and adjustable, and I'm just absolutely obsessed with this bag. So now it's time to check the price, and I'm just gonna say I'm sure it was like $1,000 because it's Balenciaga and that's expensive. I knew what I was getting myself into. This one's not gonna be as much of a shocker, okay, but let's see what we got here. Yeah. $1,150. It's definitely crazy. I think that makes this all the more funny that I spent $1,000 on a bag with kittens on it. I literally love this so much though. So the moral of the story is be very careful when you go shopping in New York. Look at the prices, but you know, maybe you should treat yourself, walk away with something a little special, something not everyone has. It is very fun to do that kind of thing. Someone take my credit card away from me now. I just obviously have to end this with a disclaimer that, to be completely honest with you guys, like, even though I spent a lot of money on this video, there are ads on my videos, and those ads will most likely, depending on how many views I get, they will most likely pay to recoup the money that I spent, and it's just like inexpensive a video. I don't want you guys worrying about me going broke. I promise I'm not a shopaholic. I promise I don't spend money like this all the time. I'm obviously very fortunate to be able to do that. And just like last time, I want to do a giveaway again this time. For this giveaway, it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna pick 10 winners for $100 gift cards, just something a little bit smaller. And all I want you guys to do is comment what you're thankful for in life, because it's November, Thanksgiving coming up, and it's a good time to have gratitude. I'm so thankful for so many things. I'm so happy with my life right now. And also just subscribe to my channel and put in your Instagram handle so that I can find you, and follow me on Instagram as well. So I have to go cut up my credit card now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.